Hi there, students. Quarantine. Okay, quarantine is both a noun and a verb. And I thought this a suitable video for the situation that we are in. Okay, quarantine is a period of isolation, of confinement of a person or an animal or a plant that is suspected of carrying some infectious agent, or very often something that has come from another country. And this is with the idea of to stop the disease spreading. Yeah? Okay, so quarantine. So if somebody is infected with something, or they suspect it, they put them in quarantine so that they are not in touch with other people until they are no longer infectious. Notice you can also quarantine data in a computer. Your computer might quarantine certain pieces of data because maybe it's got a virus or a worm or something like that. So what about formality? I think this word is a 5 in formality. You can use it in an informal conversation and in a very formal document. So it's nice and flexible. And as a verb, it's a regular verb. So what about the origin of quarantine? The word quarantine comes to us through Latin. I think from quadringenta, which means 40. And it came to us through Italian. Now, quarantine for isolation. This, I think, comes from Venice, where the typical period of quarantine of ships arriving was 40 days. And that's where the 40 comes from. And now we have the word quarantine. So, are you in quarantine at the moment? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, so quarantine, a period of separation from society, isolation from society of a person, a plant or an animal because it's suspected of carrying some sort of infectious agent. There we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Quarantine.